Hello guys, today a tutorial on how to resolve the issue in GTA 5 when you cannot go into online mode due to the error online save data for character 1 has been corrupted. First you have to go to support.rockstargames.com. All links can be found in the description as well. In the support system click, Online Play. Can't log in. PC. Compromised account. Write your email from your social club account, not your Epic Games account. Enter your social club name. Then write something like, I can't log in online game, my online account data for player 1 has been corrupted. Attach a screenshot of the error. You can just take a screenshot of this video of the error and attach it. Now, Rockstar Games support will answer your ticket with a verification request. You will simply have to answer that email from your social club email address. In the following mail from them they will ask you to provide social club nickname and email, gamer tag / PSN ID, serial number for GTA 5. Social club nickname and gamer tag are the same. For email you will have to use the one for social club not Epic Games Launcher. Serial number is the tricky one, but not if you bought the game. Then just type it in. If you got it from Epic Games Launcher for free, go to epicgames.com/account/transactions and make a screenshot of the GTA 5 transaction and add it to the email. Additionally you will have to provide your account ID. On the same page, click on your account name and then on account. Provide them a screenshot of your account ID. Rockstar will now ask you to verify that you will lose your online progress. You will not lose RP or GTA dollar. Answer with yes, I agree with the terms and conditions. Congratulations, on the next email they should verify that your online player 1 profile has been resetted and you should be able to log on to the online GTA 5 world. If you have any questions leave a comment or reach me out on Twitter. I will do my best to help you. I would appreciate a like if the video helped you. Nice. See ya.